Hello students, welcome in Bangage Math Academy. Today in this session we are going to study how to find the trigonometric ratios in 10 seconds by using our left hand. This video will be so interesting and useful for all students. So please watch this video till the end. Let's start. See, this is our left hand. This finger is thumb. This finger is index finger. This one is middle finger. This is ring finger. And last one is small finger. See, there is 90-degree angle between thumb and small finger like this. So starting from small finger, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. To find the values of sin theta, take the number of fingers in clockwise direction. So there is simple formula. Sin theta is equal to square root of number of below fingers upon 2. To find the value of sin 0, sin 0 is equal to number of fingers below this finger is 0. So square root of 0 upon 2. Square root of 0, 0 upon 2. 0 upon 2, 0. So we get the value of sin 0 degree is 0. Then find value of sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to number of below finger. There is one finger. So square root of 1 upon 2 is equal to square root of 1 is 1. 1 upon 2. Then sin 45 is equal to, there are two fingers below this finger. So square root of 2 upon 2. We can write in this way. Square root of 2 upon 2 can be written in this way. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to root 2 get cancel. We get 1 upon root 2. So sin 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. Then sin 60 degree. See, number of below fingers 1, 2, 3. Square root of 3 upon 2. Then sin 90 is equal to number of below fingers 1, 2, 3, 4. Square root of 4 upon 2 is equal to, square root of 4 is 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. So we find the values of sin theta from 0 to 90 degree. From this we can find values of cosec theta by taking multiplicative inverse of sin theta. See, to find the values of cos theta, take the number of above fingers in anti-clockwise direction. So there is simple trick to find cos theta. Cos theta is equal to square root of number of above fingers upon 2. Then see, to find value of cos 0, number of above finger, there are 4 fingers. Square root of 4 upon 2. Square root of 4 is 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2, 1. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Then cos 30 is equal to number of above finger 3, square root of 3 upon 2. Then cos 45, number of above finger 2, square root of 2 upon 2 is equal to, simplify this, root 2 upon, this 2 can be written in this way, root 2 into root 2, root 2 get cancel, is equal to 1 upon root 2. Then cos 60, number of above finger is 1, square root of 1 upon 2 is equal to, square root of 1 is 1 upon 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2. Then cos 90, number of above finger is 0, square root of 0 upon 2 is equal to, square root of 0 is 0, 0 upon 2 is equal to 0. We find value of cos 90 is equal to 0. So to find the values of sec theta, take multiplicative inverse of cos theta. Say, to find the value of tan theta, change the position of your left hand like this, and starting from small finger 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. There is simple trick to find values of tan theta is equal to square root of number of above finger upon square root of number of below finger. See, then tan 0 is equal to square root of number of above finger 0, square root of 0 upon square root of number of below finger 1, 2, 3, 4, square root of 4 is equal to square root of 0, 0, square root of 4, 2, 0 upon 2, 0. Then tan 30 is equal to square root of number of above finger 1 upon number of below finger 3, square root of 1 is 1 upon 3, root 3, 1 upon root 3. Tan 45 is equal to square root of number of above finger 2 and number of below finger is 2, root 2 upon root 2 is equal to 1. Then tan 60 is equal to number of above finger 3 and number of below finger is 1, square root of 3 upon square root of 1 is equal to root 3 upon square root of 1 is 1, so is equal to root 3. Tan 90 is equal to number of above finger 4, square root of 4 upon square root of number of below finger 0 is equal to square root of 4, 2 upon square root of 0, 0. So we cannot divide any number by 0. So tan 90 is not defined. To find the values of cot theta, take multiplicative inverse of tan theta. See, this trick is very simple and useful for all students. To get the such type of new tricks, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.